Can you explain profiles and permission sets? Well, a profile is a collection of settings and permissions. Settings in the profile will determine the objects and features that a user has access to. So whether a user can see a particular app, tab, field, or record type. The profile permissions will determine what the user can do with the object records, like whether he can create, read, edit, or delete those records. Permission sets grant additional permission and access settings to a user on top of those granted by their profile. Can we assign one profile to more than one user? Can one user have more than one profile? The same profile can be granted to many users, definitely. For example, we can have a sales team where all the users in the sales team will be given the same sales profile, sales user profile. One user can have only one profile. Usually the profile will match the user's job or position, like sales user, marketing user, recruiter, or system administrator. Can you describe a scenario where you would use permission sets? So let's take a scenario where we have a sales team which is made up of multiple users who are field sales users, sales operations, and sales managers. Now all the users in this sales team can be assigned the same profile called sales users. Sales managers may need access to some additional permissions or some additional objects or reports. In this case, you can create a permission set to assign those additional permissions to sales managers instead of creating a separate profile for them. Another scenario can be where we create a custom object called special catalog to run some seasonal sales. We may be asked to give access to this custom object to users with both sales and marketing profiles. In this case also, we can create a permission set giving the access to this custom object and assign the permission set to users instead of editing the sales and marketing profiles to add the permissions for the new custom object. What are the two special permissions included in System Administrator profile? The System Administrator profile includes these two special permissions: view all data and modify all data. These permissions override all other sharing settings. Hence, we need to exercise extreme caution if we use these permissions on any profile other than System Administrator.